All right. How you doing today? Awesome, awesome. All right. So let's look at this. Now, how do you make money online without you doing the selling? All right. So you see, for us to make any money online, somebody, or even in life, right? For us to really make money, somebody must be buying something or somebody is selling something. And that's true, right? Because that's what you call exchange. You know, you give money to get something else. Like what we do when we go to Walmart or Target stores or Costco. We give out money to get some of those provisions, right? So so it's just the same thing. You go to buy groceries, you give out your money, and then they give you the grocery. Now, who gets richer? Is the seller. Walmart is one of the is literally, I think, is the richest retail store in the world, right? And how do they do that? By just selling you things that you think you need. So now the danger of having financial problems in the world is remaining a buyer. Well, one thing is clear, right? None of us can avoid being a buyer. So, but you don't want to be a buyer in everything. Like, you are a buyer when it comes to paying your rent. You are a buyer when it comes to paying your mortgage. You are a buyer when it comes to, your car loan. You are a buyer. You are always buying. When it comes to credit card debt, you are a buyer. You are always the one spending money, right? So in life, even though everybody is a buyer, right? Because everybody actually must buy something. But you want to also be selling because only the sellers are making money. So you want to sell something. Because if you are not selling anything, that means you are just going to be buying and buying and buying. Now, for the only thing you are selling in life is your time with your job, right? And you are paid very poorly for it. And I'm not kidding you. Because if you are not paid poorly, why is it that your wages does not take care of your expenses? And you cannot have an increase. You cannot give yourself a promotion. You literally cannot do any of those things. So you are still a buyer. Because if you say you are a seller of your time with your job, that means that you are selling poorly and you have to make changes to that, right? So what I want to say is this. For you to earn money and get all those time freedom, location freedom, and financial freedom, you want to move away from being just a buyer and you want to start selling something. It's very, very important. You must be selling something. If you are not selling anything, then you are not able to make extra income from home. All right. Now, technically, we are not the one that will do the selling. Now, that will confuse you a lot because I see a lot of people are so afraid. They say, Victor, I don't know how to sell. I don't know how to sell. I don't want to sell. I don't want to be calling up people and trying to sell something to them. The good thing is that you don't have to. I don't do that either, right? I don't call people and I don't tell them, hey, buy this. I don't do that, right? Now, why is it possible for me to be selling without selling? Do you get that, right? So I'm doing the selling, but I'm not selling because I am using an automated marketing system. Now, what is an automated marketing system? This is what we call a done-for-you system. That means you are not the one doing anything. It's fully automated. We are living in the AI world right now, and everything is fully automated. Now, of course, you have something that you must do, right? So you must do the promotions, right? You must generate the traffic, which is very simple. I'm going to do a little explanation on that. But let's talk about the automation first. Now, you want to make money without you doing any of the selling. Like I say, you don't have to sell anything, right? The system sells itself, okay? So now, when you decide to go out and generate traffic, which I'm going to explain how simple that is. When you decide to generate traffic, the traffic goes to your website. Your website is an automated system, and it goes to your website, and once the person puts in their name and their email, they become what we call a lead. And do you know what happens? The system takes over from there. Now it's hands-free. You don't have to know what happened from that time onwards. The system takes over. The system sends out email on your behalf for life to that person. The system automatically continue to invite the person to webinars and organize training for that person without you even being aware. Right? The system now closes the sale for you. So that's why I said you don't do any selling. You don't do any calling. In the system, there is a call team, which you don't pay. You are not involved with them. And they call your leads and close the sale. And when they close the sale, then you make money. So that's what we call an automated marketing system, because it does 90% of the job for you. So the only job you will do is to share your link, right? So now that means you want to generate traffic. So that's the only thing you need to learn, and you don't have to be involved in it too if you don't want to, right? So now what you want to do is this. When it comes to generating traffic, that's what I do every day. You want to post contents on social media. Like this morning already, I've made some posts on my Facebook profile. I've made some posts on some other sites. So that is what you want to do. You want to post content on social media. You want to post images, videos, and whatever your business has. You want to post it on Facebook every day so that you can attract people to your business, right? And when they come there, they click your link, which is your website link, put in their name and email, your job ends there. And I'm not kidding you. Your job ends there. And you can see you didn't have to talk to anybody. You didn't have to say anything. You didn't have to convince anybody to buy anything. You just made posts on Facebook, on TikTok, on YouTube, which is what I do every day. I just make posts on Facebook, on TikTok, on YouTube, on Instagram. I just post pictures of my business, videos of my business, and those are what we call content. You just post them on Facebook. And as people get attracted to those images, videos, they want to know more. But your link is there. You can notice my link is just everywhere. So what do? They click on your link, which is a website, and they put in their name and their email. Your job stops there. And I'm not kidding you. That's where your job stops. Because from then onward, the system does everything for you. It's fully automated. Now, what is this automated system? So I am promoting the OLSP TeamBuilders high ticket system. Why do you want to promote high ticket? Because that is where you make real good money without you doing any real work. You see, when you make all these posts on Facebook, TikTok, Instagram, what you want to do is you want to earn very good commissions. That's the biggest mistake a lot of people make. Now, with the OLSP TeamBuilders system, you could earn $500 per sale, $1,000 per sale, or even $2,600 per sale. Now, that is good money, and that can change a lot. Now, a lot of people make a lot of mistakes. What do? They go and promote low ticket offers, maybe $7 or $10, and they make all these promotional efforts to get people to their website, but the product they are promoting cannot make them any good money. So that's why it's good you promote a high ticket system, so that you actually, whenever a sale comes, you make money. Just imagine this. Let's say you want to make $3,000 in a month, and you are selling a product, or you are promoting a product that pays you $10 per sale. Now, that means you will need 300 sales for you to make $3,000 in that month. But let's say you are promoting the OLSP TeamBuilders high ticket system. You only need 3 sales and you are done. And that is what we mean. So you can just continue your promotions and just wait for the sales to come in, because it's a complete done-for-you system. Now, if you want to be part of the OLSP TeamBuilders system, you want to join our community, just go to the link in the description above, click that link and become part of the OLSP TeamBuilders. There's also going to be another link description below. Click that link and be part of the OLSP TeamBuilders. Now you start asking me, but Victor, what is this OLSP TeamBuilders high ticket system that pays you $500 per sale in commission, $1,000 per sale in commission, or even $2,600 per sale in commission? Now, the OLSP TeamBuilders system is a coaching community. Now, this is where you learn new skills. Now, if you are somebody that doesn't have time to learn anything, you don't want to learn a new skill, you don't want to learn how to promote, you don't want to learn how to generate traffic, you don't want to learn how to get customers, then this is not the program for you, right? Because this is a program for people who really wants to learn how to make money online. So if you have no interest of learning anything, then forget about this program, I'm telling you. But if you want to learn new skills, then you want to join the TeamBuilders system, okay? Because this is a coaching community where you learn how to start an online business, especially a high-ticket online business, how you're going to promote it, generate traffic, get customers. You're going to learn all those skills. And also, you're going to learn how to grow your online business and how to make money online, consistent income online. So this is a very powerful training, coaching program, and a lot of, we have thousands of members in it already, and that's why you don't want to be left out. There's a lot of new skills coming up right now. There's a lot of training that are latest, especially with all this AI chat GPT thing. You want to be at the cutting edge of this knowledge, okay? So if you want to learn new skill and then start making good money online, so make sure you join the OLSP TeamBuilders high ticket system. Now, with this system, you're going to get, apart from the training and the skill development, you're also going to get an automated, done-for-you marketing system, right? So all you need to do is to share your link. So when you share your link, the system does all the selling for you. The call team calls your lead for you and close the sale, and that makes you high ticket commissions. So this is amazing, and this is good for you and for anyone, even if you are brand new but you want to develop new skills, then you should be in the OLSP TeamBuilders high ticket system. All right, now for being in the high ticket system, there is no product creation needed, right? You don't need to create any product of your own. The OLSP system has over 20 different products that they will sell for you and make you money. So you don't need any technical skill because they will do everything for you. You don't have to recruit anybody. Just like I've explained to you, just share your link and let the system do all the recruiting for you. You don't have to call anybody. So they have a call team that does all the calling for you, and you don't have to sell at all. No, because the system does all the selling for you. And it's so powerful, right? Now, what are the commissions you could make with this system is amazing. Now, you will be able to earn 200% commissions in front-end mega link sale. That alone can make up for any expenses you have. But that is not all. You will also earn 200% second tier commissions in front-end mega link sale. What does that mean? That simply means that every time that your team members are building their business and they are making sales, you will be earning 200% commissions on their effort. That is what we call passive income, right? This is where you are not doing any work, but you keep making money. A lot of money for that matter, right? Now, but that is not all. You will also earn unlimited second tier commissions on all products in the OLSP system, but that is not all. You will also earn unlimited high ticket commissions of $500, $1,000, or even $2,600 per sale. So you can see that this is the most powerful high-ticket system because it allows you to consistently earn commissions from your team members. And this is why we promote the team builder, right? We don't promote low ticket. We promote high ticket because only serious people are involved in high ticket business, right? So that means that since they are serious, ready to invest their good money and time to learn and grow their business, so that automatically means that you yourself will keep making money for many, many years to come. Because as your team members who are very intelligent and they are serious business people that join a high-ticket system, as they build their business, they make sales. And as they are making sales, you are automatically making those second-tier commissions. All right, guys. So if you want to join our community, you want to join the OLSP Team Builders high-ticket system, just go to the link description above or even the one I'm going to leave below. Click that link and join the community right now. All right. And if you have any question, you can always private DM me and we can talk about it. So with that, I'm done for today. I will see you again. Take care. Bye.